Hi, it's Mike.
A few hints and tricks in Excel. So the first one is filtering data. Select the column. Up here is the filter icon. Select that and then you can filter data as needed. You can also type your requirement up there. Click OK and that will filter just on there. Turn it off again, just press up at the top. Next one is merging cells. So you select the cells you'd like to merge. Click on the Home tab and click Merge and Center and that will merge all the cells for you. If you'd like to remove duplicates from your column, select the column, select Data and then select Remove Duplicates. Continue with current selection. OK. And then it tells you that 5 duplicates were removed and then 7 unique ones remain. And then if you want to copy your data across, so the first name is here and then the surname is here, that is called split text into different columns. So what you do is select your text column, select text to columns here, next. Now if you've got it separated by a comma, tab or space, then you need to select what it is here. So we've got a space between ours, so we select space, click next, select the tab, oop, there we go. So select where you want the data to go and then click finish. OK, and then what that does is just copies all the information across separately.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.